Flexi-Mate 24-gauge cable assemblies maximize design flexibility by simplifying wiring production and provide end-to-end space savings for LED panel lighting applications. LED panel lighting designers aim to optimize the maximum area of light within the minimum fixture dimensions. This requires a low-profile connector system that will not interfere with light uniformity. Many LED lighting panel manufacturers lack crimping capabilities, making a crimp housing solution unworkable. Flexi-Mate pre-crimped cable harnesses provide the solution to both these issues by being the only system offering pre-crimped leads in 24-gauge cable assemblies. Flexi-Mate meets the solid-state lighting industry's needs for flexibility and space savings in applications requiring placement of LEDs on interconnecting panels across the width of the display or lighting fixture. The Flexi-Mate 24-gauge cable system is available as pre-assembled cable harnesses in wire loop, driver-to-board, and board-to-board configurations. For more information on Flexi-Mate 24-gauge cable assemblies, visit Molex.com and search for Flexi-Mate.